I'm working on a 99 Toyota Sienna, and the problem is there's something wrong with the blower fan. Okay, so I'm going to turn the fan on and let's hear what it sounds like. Something's obviously not working properly with the motor. Listen again. The next step is to take the fan off and see what it looks like inside. The fan is underneath the glove box, so I'm going to take this cover off and then we'll find the fan. First step is to remove this cover. There's a black plastic nut right here that is only finger tight. So you just twist it off. There it is. Now this just comes right off. Okay. Now, 2 bolts, one here and one here. Right. It's a 10mm socket. Okay, now this panel just lifts out. This is the blower motor right here. I'm going to remove the computer. It's just 3 bolts on the bracket. To get this out of the way, then we'll be able to unbolt the blower motor. There are 3 bolts to remove the computer bracket. Okay, now the computer can just drop out of the way. Okay, there's 3 screws. Here's one of them right here. I'm using an 8mm socket, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. You can see how it's both Phillips, it's actually Phillips straight and 8mm. Take your choice. Small cover I'm also going to remove. It looks like 2 screws. Here's the small cover, the 2 screws. Now I just need to finish unscrewing the fan. I'm going to move this bracket out of my way here. Actually, this is also the screw for the fan. Looks like. Ah, there we go. One last screw. So let's see what's inside this thing. Just dirt and junk and leaves. So I'm going to clean all that out, and that should solve our problem. The sheet metal's a little bit sharp on the fan, watch out. Get it all cleaned out. I unplugged it like this. See, there's a button right here. So I'll plug it back in now and just put it back together. You can see where the 3 screws go. Pretty clear. Sets back up in the hole. Okay, so I tightened the fan up. Now that bracket that I removed. Okay. Now this cover. Okay, now I'm going to put the computer back in. There's 1 bolt. There's the 2nd bolt. 3rd bolt's way back in there. Just guide your way with the flashlight. Okay, now just tighten them all up. Okay, I have everything back on but the covers, so might as well test it before I put the covers on and see if it sounds any better now. Let's see. Beautiful. Sounds perfect. I think we fixed it. There are 4 push clips. They fit into 4 slots. So I'm going to push this in, it'll snap into place, and then I'll put those 2 bottom bolts in. You'll hear it snap. Just going to line them up by eye. Okay, now the 2 bolts. Okay, you can see this metal slot right here. And here's a tab to go in the slot. So I'm going to push this tab in the slot, push these 2 push pins in these 2 holes, and snap it into place. Okay, I did it.